Thả cái heo tôm rồi.
So this guy, he lives in the Bauta River for 20 years. Can you ask what's his name, sister?
Bạn mới tao lấy cấu đó.
What's his name?
Hầu bây giờ.
Can you ask what's his name?
Ông Ngân kế. Musa.
Musa.
Yes.
He's Muslim, yeah?
Yeah, Muslim. Musa alayhi salam.
They're the same people as yours.
Yeah. Subhanallah.
And so he lives here for 20 years. That's quite sad. And his grandkids, he said, bring him some food.
Yeah.
And he's sort of disabled, couldn't get out of his boat. So can you ask him how he does his toilet?
Pardon?
Toilet. How he does the toilet, restroom.
Oh, toilet. Mấy cái con ngắm phải ạ?
Bin water.
And we know water. Yes.
Just in the water.
Yes. The fish feed.
Straight to the fish, yeah?
Yes. Feed the fish.
Feed the fish.
Early.
And
Có máy tận vợ.
can you ask him if he feel like mentally, if he feel like bored or crazy or something sometimes because he couldn't go see places or go anywhere? Can you ask
Chưa
him?
lại stress áo tao tao ngọc kế nè.
Khăn cố tôi những ba chừng rồi.
Con hưu thôi ngắm anh đi kìa mà nè.
Hả?
Hưu kìa hả? Thôi ngắm hả?
Thôi như mà này. Nào tôi nó phá đi chọc lên. Cố tôi nó.
Định còn đi tôi ó kìa.
Cố nhau cố tàu gối.
So what's
Gối nó có ta có hàng nữa nào.
He feels sometimes, but because it's hard for him to go
To walk,
the
yeah.
top there, so we have
he just stay here?
you just stay there.
Quite sad, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, inshallah. Đi inshallah rizki
Best
ao
luck.
nè.
Tell him he have our prayer. We pray for him
Yeah.
and for people like him, which are many.
Inshallah con
Okay.
con à về ao nè. Inshallah con với xe selamat inshallah.
Inshallah.
Nào, kìa ao nè lên nào cái nào
So,
nè.
so look like 5 people live here, yeah, and there is more people live over there.
Bên đi kita bạn nữa cái tông pin này.
There's more people over there. How many?
Tại nữ cái tông pin hả?
Okay, last question. The government, can you ask them? The government, they don't come and bother them, ask them to leave or live somewhere else or anything? No one even ask them whatsoever. Interesting, yeah.
Nào, kìa ao nè.